Hello learners, welcome back to English with Shormishta. Today we will be learning about words. We have already came across the terms like letters, alphabets, words, sentences a lot of time in English classes. And we all know that these help us to convey our thoughts in a language and speak the language properly. So today we will be moving forward with the term words. The first thing that comes in our mind about learning a word is what is word. A word is a meaningful unit of language that consists of one or more morphemes and functions as a principal carrier of meaning in communication. It may stand alone, like book, or be combined to form phrases and sentences. To say simply, the term word in grammar refers to the smallest independent unit of language that carries meaning and can function on its own in a sentence. So if we consider the features of word, a word has a definite structure, can be spoken or written. It conveys a particular idea or concept. It plays grammatical role like noun, verb, adjectives, etc. A word can usually stand alone or be separated from other words. The types of words that we will be discussing in our grammar classes are primarily the parts of speech. At first, we will start with noun, and the link of the playlist is in the description box below. If you have come this far of this video, thank you for watching. Do subscribe to get more videos like this and visit my website to get academic English literature and language guidance. See you soon. Till then, keep learning.